Hello everyone and welcome back to Modern Beauty. Today I wanted to share with you one of my all-time favorite looks, and it is an everyday glam look. Now I know what you're thinking. Everyday and glam don't generally go together, but if I want something that is a little extra but I don't want to put in the time to go and figure out how to, what kind of experimental look I want to do, I don't want to add glitter, I don't want to add falsies, I don't want to really do the extra steps. But I do want something that looks glamorous and makes me feel good. Then this is the look that I gravitate towards, and this is kind of like my everyday. Like, I know the steps. If I want, contour, if I want blush, highlighter, if I want those things, this is what I'm doing. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Using the Beach Blonde Cream to Powder eyeshadow from Mary Kay, or any equivalent of your choosing, I'm going to apply this as a base to my entire lid, from top to bottom all the way up to the brow bone. I'm going to take a blending brush. This is the Morphe M433, and I'm going to grab the color Instinct from the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette. I'm going to take this color and I'm going to apply it in my crease pretty close to my brow, all the way up to my brow bone, just leaving a little bit of room for a highlight. This is really helpful for hooded eyes like I have, to apply whatever color you're using in the crease higher as opposed to more concentrated in the crease, because when you open your eyes and you have hooded eyes, the crease is no longer visible. So it's really helpful to apply that color and move it higher, closer to the brow bone. Then I'm going to take a pencil brush. This is the Morphe B42, and I'm going to grab the color Lethal, which is right next to Instinct in the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette, and I'm going to apply that more concentrated into the crease. Then I'm going to take a crease brush. This is the Morphe M519, and I'm going to use this to blend out that color Lethal into the previous color before it. So this is going to blend and diffuse because this brush is not as dense and packed as the pencil brush was. I'm using this liquid eyeliner pen from Mary Kay just because I had it on hand and I've been using it. But you can grab whatever black liner pen that you prefer, and you're just going to line your upper lash line and give it a little bit of a wing. Taking that same pencil brush, the Morphe B42, and the color Lethal as before in the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette, you may already have some of this on your brush still, and that's totally fine if you want to work with that, but you're going to buff this color into your lower lash line to give a little bit of a shadow. Using the Ultimate Mascara from Mary Kay, which is one of my favorite mascaras, I'm going to top off this eye look with a few coats. Using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, I'm going to do a quick contour. I'm going to hit the sides, the hollows of my cheeks, also my jawline, the sides of my chin, the sides of my nose, and also framing the top of my forehead. I'm going to pop the shade Spiced Plum, which is a L'Oreal True Match blush, just onto the apples of my cheek for some color. Using the Manizer highlight by the Balm, I mean, you can't forget about the highlight, guys. I'm going to highlight that on the tops of my cheeks, also down the center of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. For probably my favorite part of the look, I'm going to take a Bella LipSense and Glossy Gloss from SeneGence, and I am going to apply that to my lips. And if you've never used LipSense before, it has a little bit of a unique application process. If you want to check out a video that I did on that, I will link it right here. You can check that out. But I'm going to just apply that to my lips and put the gloss on, and then we're golden. Like I said, this is one of my favorite looks. I love that I can just feel put together in it while not having to go that extra step for time's sake. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that this can help you in your makeup look. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button below. Subscribe if you want to see more content by Modern Beauty. You can also check out more of what I'm doing on these channels here. I love you guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.